एलएलबी कंप्लीट करने के बाद अगर आप बहुत सारे जॉब्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं बट इंटरव्यू कॉल्स नहीं आ रहे हैं, देन देयर इज अ हाई पॉसिबिलिटी दैट द प्रॉब्लम इज योर सीवी, because recruiters don't spend 5 or 10 minutes on each and every CV. They may look at your resume for just few seconds, just for deciding whether to shortlist or move to the next candidate. And this is exactly where many of the law students make mistake. आपके पास इंटर्नशिप्स हो सकती हैं, गुड मार्क्स हो सकते हैं, लीगल नॉलेज भी हो सकता है, बट योर if your CV doesn't present these things properly, you may still not get shortlisted. So if you are a law student, LLB graduate, or a fresher looking for your first job, this video is extremely important for you because today I'm going to show you how to make a professional law CV that actually highlights your skills, experience, and these 7 mistakes you absolutely need to avoid. So let's start with the most important thing. What should your CV actually look like? So keep your CV very simple and professional. So this is the very first rule, to keep your CV simple. So law CV कोई graphic competition नहीं है, आपको colorful templates, unnecessary graphs और complicated designs की ज़रूरत नहीं है, especially if you are applying to law firms, corporate legal teams, corporate departments or professional organizations. You just have to keep your CV easy to read, clean, simple. Use a simple font, clear heading, proper spacing, because your recruiter should be able to find your experience, education immediately. Because a good CV, CV वो ही है जो रिक्रूटर की जॉब इजी करे, ना कि हार्डर. ओके. So also at the very top of your CV, mention your name, phone number, professional email address, and LinkedIn profile if you have one. Make sure your email address looks professional. For example, your name @gmail.com or whatever it is. Avoid email IDs which look casual. Okay. Also, you don't need to write your uh, extraordinary personal information for like marital status, religion, father's name, or complete residential address unless it is specifically required. These don't add value to your legal CV. Your CV should focus on information which is relevant for your professional profile. So now comes the very common question. Should we write the career objective? So my suggestion is don't write because वो बहुत general होता है. Many of you like कि I want exposure, I want to join where I can grow professionally, because recruiters see these type of statements again and again. And if you want to include something like this, some introduction, you can be specific. For example, LLB graduate with practical exposure through legal research, drafting, contract reviewing, seeking entry level legal role. Now see the difference. The second one immediately tells the recruiters who you are, what you can do, and what type of role you are looking for. That's what your CV should look like. And what should it communicate? It is communicating. So don't make these mistakes. Okay. Now in your internship or experience section, don't just write I worked here in ABC law firm or whatever. Don't just write the name. Write the roles or functions you actually did there. Like if you reviewed, assisted in legal drafting, reviewed some document or some contract. Okay, so you can write all the things you did instead of just writing the name of ABC law firm. So see the difference. Don't just tell the recruiter I worked here. Show them this is what I actually did. Okay. Always use strong action words that reviewed, analyzed, assisted, prepared, examined. Your CV should demonstrate your practical exposure. Okay. Instead of just letting the recruiters know the place you worked on. Now many students tell me that I am a fresher, मेरे पास experience ही नहीं है, तो मैं उसमें लिखूँ क्या, क्या लिखूँ CV में? So as a fresher आप लिख सकते हो इंटर्नशिप भी नहीं है आपके पास कोई नहीं, मूड कोर्ट्स के बारे में लिखो, प्रोजेक्ट्स के बारे में लिखो, एकेडमिक एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में लिख सकते हो आप सब, ठीक है। नाउ अगेन कि इंटर्नशिप में भी आप ऐसे इंस्टेड ऑफ जस्ट सिंपली राइटिंग द नेम या मूड का टॉपिक, आप उसको इन डिटेल लिखो, व्हाट फंक्शंस यू डिड, ओके। डोंट ओवर एग्जैजरेट एवरीथिंग योर एक्सपीरियंस, ऐसे नहीं है कि मैंने ताजमहल बनाया है, इतना ज़्यादा नहीं फेंकना है सीवी के अंदर, ठीक है। बिकॉज सीवी में जो आपने लिखा है रिक्रूटर्स आपसे उसी पे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे। नाउ डोंट राइट एवरीथिंग, ठीक है, डोंट ओवर एग्जैजरेट। नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज कि आपको अननेसेसरीली लॉन्ग नहीं करना अपना सीवी, just to fill the page कुछ भी मत लिख देना, just mention the things which are actually relevant for that particular profile or that particular job, ठीक है। write your name, personal details, educational things and the places you have worked on, ठीक है। and your skills, skills में बस भर मत देना, relevant skills ही लिखना जो आपने actually किया है, ठीक है। so that you should be prepared कि CV में से कुछ भी recruiter अगर पूछ रहा है you should be able to answer, okay। Your CV is representation of you, the work you know, the work you have done. Okay. Now let's talk about some mistakes that can make your CV look immediately unprofessional. ठीक है? Spelling errors, grammatical errors, because as a legal professional, you are expected to be detailed oriented. So you should never do these kind of silly mistake. Okay. The next thing is don't make your CV unnecessarily long, ठीक है, because they don't have so much time to give your CV 5 to 10 minutes, they just give few seconds, keywords आपको यूज करने हैं वो देखते हैं, and if you are shortlisted you are shortlisted, तो never over exaggerate anything, long नहीं करना है over, okay, make it crisp, concise, okay, and don't make just a single CV for each and every profile. Firstly, read that profile, what are the requirements, send your CV accordingly, edit your CV a little bit according to that. If it is a contract management related job, you should highlight your contract related experience. If it is document review professional job, then you should highlight your those experience, okay। डोंट ओवर शेयर एनीथिंग अननेसेसरी, कुछ भी ओवर शेयर आपको नहीं करना उसके अंदर, ओके। सो दीज ऑल आर माई सजेशन on which you can work upon and make your CV highly selectable and impressive, okay, and get shortlisted for that job profile. So this is all for today's video. These were all my suggestions regarding the legal CV which can help you grab that job or opportunity or help you get shortlisted. Okay. So I am on legal career series playlist and this is video 4 of this legal career playlist. And if you haven't watched the previous 3 videos, you can definitely watch them. They will definitely help you in your legal career growth. So thank you so much for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel if this video was helpful to you. You can like also and comment your suggestions below. Or if you have any questions, write them into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet you in the next video.